Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to challenge myself and try something that I've never done before. So I have done cut crease looks, but I've never done one like this that kind of flicks out into a wing and then fades into eyeshadow and then liner, which you guys know I rarely ever do liner. So I wanted to do all of that combined into one look. And I actually did see a photo on Instagram that I was inspired by. It's not like I just made this up. I'm not that creative. Her name is GabXXRiel. So I zoomed into the photo right there. So that's the inspiration. Obviously hers is incredible and she drew it on her hand. So that is just out of this world. You guys have to check her out. She's amazing. One of my favorite accounts to follow. So this is the look that I did today. I hope you guys enjoy, and if you guys want to stick around to see how I got it, then just keep on watching. I'm going into the Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette. The first shadow I'm picking up is Feels. I'm starting off with my Sigma E38 diffused crease brush, and I'm first going from my outer corner out, and then I'm going to start taking that back into my crease. I'm going to be creating a winged out shape with my shadows. It just helps if you take it from your outer corner of your lid to the tail of your brow, not all the way up, just a little bit higher, and then bring that back into the crease. I'm now going into Devilish. Now I picked this shadow up on my Sigma E25 blending brush, and I'm first tapping this onto this outer corner, kind of going down into an angle shape, and then start blending it again towards the tail of the brow, and then back into the crease. And we're going to bring it all the way into this inner corner, and then I'm going to go up a little bit higher than I usually do on this inner corner of my crease, just blending that in circular motions upward. Then I'm picking up my E20 short shader brush and starting to tap this shadow onto my lid, just at the lash line, and then blend that upward towards the center of the lid. I want this to be really, really blended. And then picking up a little bit more of Devilish again on my E25 and blending that through the crease. And then doing that same winged out shape on this outer corner. Then picking up Feels just to blend out the very high point of this crease. Just going back and forth. To highlight my brow bone, I'm picking up Hotspot. With my Sigma E32 Exact Blend Brush, I'm going to highlight the high point of my brow. So before I continue on with my lid, I just want to finish off my lash line. So first picking up Feels on my E54 Medium Sweeper Brush by Sigma, just swiping this back and forth. And then picking up Devilish on my E20 Short Shader Brush. Now I'm just going to start darkening up and smoking out this lash line all the way into this inner corner, and then smoking that down and connecting that to the bottom of that crease. To carve out my crease, I'm picking up Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Fair. Looking straight ahead into the mirror, I'm going to start by picking up the concealer on my E06 Wing Liner brush, and I'm going to start outlining right where the fold of my crease is. And then I'm going to create that wing swooping in to meet up with that crease. And then I'm going to pick up the concealer on my F70 concealer brush by Sigma and start applying the concealer right on that empty space, making sure not to go too much over top of that red shadow. And then to blend the concealer and shadow together, I'm just going back and forth with the tip of this brush. For my lid, I'm going into this MAC Cosmetics Shiny Pretty Shadow in P for Pink. Now I'm picking up this shadow on my Sigma F70 concealer brush, and I'm going to start tapping this on over top of the concealer that we applied. And then when I get to the outer corner of that winged out cut crease, I'm going to pick up this E06 Wing Liner brush and apply that. To create my liner, I'm going into the Balm Cosmetics Schwing Black Liquid Eyeliner. I'm now going to apply my wing liner, and I'm going to kind of try to keep it smaller than usual, just so you can really still see the entire eye look. And then with my Sigma E06 Wing Liner brush, I picked up a little bit of that liner, and I'm going to create my inner corner. To line my waterline and tightline, I'm going into the Sigma Longwear Eyeliner Pencil in Wicked. I'm first going to apply eyeliner on my top waterline, and I'm now going to apply the liner on my waterline. I'm now going to apply some mascara and false lashes, and today I'm going into these Esquito lashes in Naughty and Nice. And that's the eye look done. For my lip, I'm going to try out this Pixie by Petra Matte Last Liquid Lip in Pastel Petal. It's a really pretty rosy nude, and I feel like it's going to be perfect for this look. And that is it. This is the completed look of my sparkly cranberry pink cut crease look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I honestly don't even know what to call this look yet, but all I know is that I love it. I'm so glad I challenged myself to create something that I've never done before, and I did it while I was filming, which is a shocker because I never do that. I usually sit at night and just practice one eye, and then it's just makeup, so if I fail at it, I just wash it off and then retry either that same day, which never really happens because I get too frustrated, or I'll try the next day, and I keep just trying, and honestly, practice makes perfect, and it is so true. If you guys feel like you can't get a look down, honestly, just keep practicing and you will get it down. I'm telling you, it will happen. And also, I just really quickly wanted to mention to you guys how obsessed I am with this shadow. This was the only reason I did this look, because I swatched the shadow and was in love, and I was like, I need a really nice, intense, different type of look to make the shadow stand out, and I'm so glad I did this look. And this sparkly shadow, the MAC one that's on my eyes, is a duochrome rose gold with silver sparkle. Honestly, I don't even know if it picks up well on camera, but it looks amazing in real life. And if you guys want to follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter, that'll be right here, as well as down in the description box, and also list up all the products that I used today along with brushes will be listed down below for you guys to find everything easier. And I think that should be it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!